In this shoemaking tutorial, I will show you how to make new design of penny keeper for your loafers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. So let's get started. Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses. In this loafers course, we created this design of penny keepers that holds tassels. So in the middle we attached thin leather strap that we created, and to this middle strap we placed this strap with tassels. Okay, now I will show you how you can use the same pattern that you prepared in the course and change the design of penny keeper to create different type of penny keeper. For example, penny keeper with slat. Okay, so what we're gonna do? So I will use basic pattern of penny keeper that we made in the course. I will enlarge it on 5 millimeters around, and I will cut both parts of this penny keeper using upper leather to create later row cut. The reinforcement I will use the same one, and I already prepared it. Okay, so let's make this pattern. That's it. This is how we can change the design of our penny keeper using the same basic pattern that we made in the course. And during this course I explain all your possibilities that you have to create variety designs, variety styles of loafers. Okay, and it was a short explanation of one of the possibilities that you have to change the design of your loafers. So you see, this is the loafers that you made. We made this from scratch. We designed the loafer on the shoe last, and then we made the pattern, cut everything, and sew everything, and made this leather sole with leather stacked heel, this elegant loafer. So instead of this penny keeper here, could be also this penny keeper with a slat. Okay, so that's it. If you already signed up for my course, now it's a prompt explanation of how to change the design using the techniques that you already knew. If you still didn't subscribe to my course, make sure to subscribe, and you will find a link to this course in the description below the video. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, you are welcome to ask me, and see you in my course. Thank you. Bye.